Interesting facts about the human brain. Welcome to this channel. Please subscribe to get updates and notification. And be kind to share with friends. Here are some interesting facts about the magnificent brain you have. The human brain is composed of 60% fat. This makes the brain the fattest organ in the body, and these fatty acids are essential for the functioning of the brain. Make sure you're providing it with the right kind of nutritious, brain-enhancing food. 2. At age 25, your brain has not yet fully developed. The front of the brain develops first, with the back of the brain starting the process. Your frontal lobes, which govern reasoning and planning, are therefore the last to develop and organize connections. 3. The amount of information your brain can store is essentially limitless. According to research, the human brain contains 86 billion neurons. 1 quadrillion, 1,000 trillion, connections between neurons could be formed by each neuron. These neurons may merge over time, expanding the available storage. Yet, many neurons may suffer damage and cease to function in Alzheimer's disease, impacting memory in particular. 4. The remarkable speed at which brain information can move is 268 miles per hour. An electrical impulse is produced when a neuron is triggered and it moves from cell to cell. An epileptic seizure may result from an interruption in this usual processing. 5. Your spinal cord typically reaches its peak size at the age of 4. The communication between your brain and the rest of your body is carried out via your spinal cord, which is made up of a bundle of nerves and supporting cells. 6. The spinal cord serves as the primary conduit for information between the brain and the body. Neurons in the brain and spinal cord die as a result of ALS, also known as amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, which affects the ability to govern muscle movement. Multiple sclerosis is a different condition that affects both the brain and spinal cord, MS. Communication issues between the brain and body result from the immune system attacking the layer protecting nerve fibers in MS. 7. The idea that you only employ 10% of your brain is untrue. You do make use of it all. Yes, even as you slept, your brain is constantly working, according to neurologists. 8. 3 pounds are in the human brain. It equates to around half a gallon of milk, but intelligence is not necessarily correlated with size. In general, men's brains are bigger than women's. 9. The true cause of a brain freeze is sphenopalatine ganglioneuralgia. The meninges, the outer covering of the brain, contain pain receptors that are activated by cold. A headache appears suddenly due to the dilatation and contraction of arteries brought on by the cold. 10. A grain of sand's worth of brain tissue has 100,000 neurons and 1 billion synapses. Neuronal injury, however, can have a significant effect. For instance, during a stroke, blood cannot provide oxygen to the brain. As a result, brain cells may degenerate and skills in that area of the brain may disappear. Similar to Alzheimer's illness, Parkinson's disease develops when the substantia nigra, a region of your brain, begins to lose cells. 11. The power output of the human brain is approximately 23 watts, enough to power a light bulb. That much strength demands some much-needed recuperation. Your brain's neural networks can be maintained with enough sleep. Lack of sleep can also cause your brain's levels of a protein related to Alzheimer's disease to rise. Thanks for watching this short video. Please subscribe, like and share.